Welcome back, people. This is part 2 of the tutorial now. If you haven't seen part 1, better just go to part 1, then after come back to your sub, because you're gonna miss out 1 or 2 something that you're gonna need. Now she's at the top and she has left the last row at the front so that she can show how the finish of the hairstyle up. So the front is a bit more tricky, you know, people, so take time, yes so, because of the shape of the hairline. You know, everybody's hairline is different, so you have to take time and measure it out. So she has part out some of the triangle shapes according to the shapes of the hairstyle. After she's using the same technique, cornrow both sides again to feed in the box braid again and again. It look like you get the same thing all over, people. And you don't have to be an artist to achieve this. It's just all about paying a little attention and detail, you understand? And just take your time, you know? As you can see, people, as you can see, from the first technique to the last technique, it's just a repeat all over, like a rash, like anything. So you just repeat it all over. So people, you just repeat it all over the ear. Just take your time, you understand, yeah, for parting. Then after, make sure say the ear, you know, the most tricky part is the front part of the ear, you know. So you can't just go and do that now. You can see my friend now, yeah, she go on, yeah, she go on, man, trust me. She look like somebody picked me now. See it there? Look on the tough head before and look on now. She have hair like Pocahontas, man. Yo, trust me. So she has skin out her teeth like what? Like a Colgate advert she had do. Trust me. Me never see them so white yet. If you not subscribe, people, subscribe, because trust me, at the latest trends, at the latest styles, and trust me, it's a tutorial, so it's teaching you something. Yeah, if you don't like it, well, you know, hug a tree, read a chapter in the Bible, do something positive. You understand? Yeah, then come back and you want and you go understand. Say, sharing is caring. You understand? So. Well, and you don't know where you can find us. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Every details in at the corner right. Yes, sir. But remember to subscribe and put us on alert. You understand? Yes, so make sure that every time we post any new information, anything, you're gonna get it. If you have any questions, if you have any hairstyles, if you have any requests, I mean, say, if you see one bad hairstyle and you want know how that girl do it, or you see one picture and you say, why I'm not like the girl, but the girl head good, I'm gonna want to know how to do that style, just send it in. Trust me, it could have been that same hairstyle we can do next week. Trust me, there's nothing that we cannot do. Trust me.